predicate. So here is your worksheet. Look at the first line. Subject. The subject tell us who or what we are speaking about in the sentences. Okay, subject मतलब होता है tell us who, मतलब कौन और क्या बातें कर रहा है किसके बारे में. The predicate, this is predicate. The predicate tell us something about the subject. प्रेडिकेट होता है जो सब्जेक्ट के बारे में हमें बताता है. नाउ मूविंग अहेड, अंडरलाइन द सब्जेक्ट एंड सर्कल द प्रेडिकेट इन दिस सेंटेंसेस. Seher. Seher is the subject because she is doing here some work. Was interested in an astronomy. Seher कहाँ पर इंटरेस्टेड थी? एन एस्ट्रोनॉमी में. सो एन एस्ट्रोनॉमी इज योर प्रेडिकेट. सेकेंड वन, सेहर एंड हर फादर. दिस आर योर सब्जेक्ट. इसमें दो सब्जेक्ट है, सेहर एंड हर फादर. दे वॉन्ट टू गो टू द सारिस्का. सारिस्का इज देयर प्रेडिकेट. दे, दिस सब्जेक्ट इन थर्ड नंबर, आर लुकिंग फॉर स्टार्स देयर. वो क्या कर रहे हैं? स्टार्स को देख रहे हैं. ओके, सो आर लुकिंग फॉर stars there is predicate. The next one is Sariska. Sariska is also a subject. Wild sanctuary. What is Sariska? Sariska is a wild sanctuary. So wild sanctuary is your predicate. The lodge. The lodge is a subject in this sentence. Was located in quiet place. जो एक quiet place पे located था. So this is your predicate. Okay, now here I given all the answers in red one, so you have to follow the same one. Okay, now moving ahead, next one, read this paragraph. B number, read this paragraph and write the correct form verbs in the blanks. On a dark night the sky is, because sky is a singular, so their verb is also singular. It up with the hundreds of the twinkle stars. If they are, they is the plural subject, so helping verb is also are, plural. Out in the desert or an open space away from the city lights, you might see thousands of them. Astronomers. Astronomers is also plural form, so you can use here helping verb plural have. Studied stars for many years. They have, they is also plural subject, so we can use here plural verb. Found that there are many kinds of stars. Here is more than one stars, talking about the more than one star, so we can use here more, are helping verb. A group of stars that form pattern is called constellation. There are 88. It means here it's talking about more than one, so we can use here are helping verb. Recognize constellation. Have you heard of the Orion? It is the most clearly visible. जो constellation है, it is singular, so we can use here is, talking about one constellation, so we can use here verb is. Visible. The next one, C number, look at the underlined words and write the for the subject and for the object of the verb. The astronomer gazed at the star. The astronomer is a subject, so we can write here as. Next one, I walk my dog every day. My dog is object, so we can here write O. Next one, a young boy. A young boy is a subject because he is doing something here, playing with the piano, so we can write here as for this young boy. Her food. Food is coming in object, so we can write here O. Next one, she is visiting her father. She is the subject and father is the object because she is visiting to her father, so father is an object. The girl has won the first prize. The first prize is an object, so we can write here O for an object. The Khannas. The Khanna is the subject because they are doing something work over here. So we can write as for the Khannas. The doctor advised him to rest for a few days. The doctor is the subject because he is